Good morning. All right. This is Tim Trades, NASDAQ Futures Live. It's Apex Trader Funding accounts. Use code TIM to get the biggest discount possible. I think today's the last day for 80% off. 80% off the evaluation phase and $140 to activate the account. All the accounts are $140. It's just the evaluation is different prices, but 80% off. All right, let's see here. We are looking to, in our main account, we just got approved for a $2,000 withdrawal. We had been taking out between $500 to $900 every 8 days or so, every 8 qualifying trade days. I guess on the 4th payout, you get the option to take out your buffer. So on that one account, I requested the $2,000. It got approved. It's in the process of being transferred. So my drawdown for that account is only $600. So that makes it kind of tricky. So with that account, I'm only going to be scalping about 5 points. So I get $100 trade on that, so I can start building up that buffer again. 8 days at $100, and I can either take out the $800 or I'm not exactly sure how that works at this point. But and then I also purchased another evaluation right here, where we'll play the 1 minute bear flag, bull flag pattern. We'll just be doing 10 points, over leveraging 10 points and not shooting for the 15. Today's volatility is at 16, so it's down. So it's not super volatile. It's 6:24 a.m. We're going to be looking for a trade in about 5 minutes. This left window is Tradingview. I've been yawning a lot recently. Tradingview, how this is working is I found an indicator that I liked the strategy. It was like a bear flag, bull flag indicator, and turned it into a strategy and honed down just the first trade of the day, taking 13 points, 35 points stop loss, one contract, 50K account. It's $2,500 draw, intraday trailing drawdown. It's the beast. I'm gonna take, and I also have this swing high, swing low indicator on. I'm gonna take it off for right now. I'll turn it back on when we are actually looking for the 1 minute time frame bull flags and bear flags. About 4 minutes till the indicator starts looking for a trade. Indicator / strategy. I do have a couple computers off screen here where I have stream decks linked up so I can execute multiple trades using the ATM strategy, because Tradovate does not let you use the ATM strategy when you link accounts together to do copy trading. Man, yawning. Hoping I don't blow that funded account I've been juicing. That's why I'm just gonna skim it for 5 points. Hopefully the market doesn't all of a sudden shoot against me. 2 minutes until we start looking for a trade. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com. Links are in the bio. Get the biggest discount possible. Today, I believe, is the last day for the 80% off. They do have frequent coupons, so not the end of the world, but it might be several weeks before they have a discount again. Another tidbit, if you do a reset, okay, no, not live. It printed a green line up there. Okay, we might be going live here. Market is exploding. Getting some good movement here, pre-market. These green lines are what we're looking for. Getting some movement to the upside. 2 little pumps there to the upside. Could be a fake out. We'll see what our indicator read on it is. Okay, and we're looking for a trade. Will it be long? Will it be short? Hopefully it's a winner. Market is inching along. I did change the perspective so if it does jump, I can still see it in the screen. So that's one reason why it looks like it's barely moving. It's zoomed out a lot. Okay, still looking for a trade. Market's open in 10 seconds or so. About 10 seconds right now. There's VWAP somewhere. I think the VWAP's up there. So we're below the VWAP. Going up and we're taking a long.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, we got the $100 trade.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in on 2 of the accounts. We got the quick trade worked out. Quick 5 points. Now we're just looking for the other ones to take profit. We're in drawdown right now. We need a pump up. We need a pump up. It's pushing down. Big time drawdown. Big time drawdown. Why is that so much drawdown? Just one account is massive drawdown. I wonder if it's being over leveraged. We're in 2 contracts there, that's why. Push, push, push. Come on, get it. Get it. Push. Push. Don't fatigue me. Don't fatigue me.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. Push. Up.
Stop filled.
Push. God, it's torture. I dragged it to take to stop loss because it's just torture.
Stop filled.
Come on, there we go. Okay. Wow. All right. Good trades. It just it was a little too torturing to watch that live, so I had to pull the plugs on those. Had to pull the plug on those. That's a bummer. So that would have been $750 in this one account if I wouldn't have pulled the plug, but that was brutal drawdown. Brutal. So we got $250 in that account. Green on all the accounts. Get my $100 scalper there. Putting that account at $800. I don't know if I have to get back to the 52,600 marker to draw out, or if I can just, or it's just 8 days from here. I don't get it. I don't know. We'll find out. $40 there. That should have been $750 if I would have held out. Chickened out. I chickened out. Okay, let's go to our evaluation account. Let's look for 10 points. +1. And we'll do 10 here. Back here. 1 minute time frame. Come on. Look for, turn the swing high, swing low indicator on. Here's first little pullback. Market's trending up. Ooh, it's a big pull down. Looks like we're filling that gap. We're doing a gap fill. Here's the gap. There's the gap fill. Possibly pushing up to that 23,945 marker-ish area. Time of day was that? Pump down. 5:30 a.m. So some news comes out around that time normally. So we're pumping up, so we do want to see we want to see a swing high indicator print. And then we want to draw the trend line, look for 2 bars, and then a break to the top side. Momentum's pretty strong right now, so we're not getting really good pullbacks. All right, is that our swing high forming? Okay, that is a swing high. There's 2 bars. Ideally, we get a pullback so we get another swing low. But sometimes it doesn't have patience for us. After this bar prints, this will be the swing low right here. If it doesn't go lower than that bar. Right now it's playing perfectly fair. "30 seconds before it prints." And we're going
Order
long.
filled.
Quick little push up. Hopefully it's not a psych out. We're in drawdown. $1,000. We need another push up. We need to revisit the push past those highs. Kind of jumped the gun a little bit here, but pulling back, not looking good. Drawdown's low. Pushing back up again. We need another push to the top side. So this is the printed one too. So this is the trend line here.
Order filled.
Bummer. Couldn't take that pullback. This little fake out, faked me out. Pulling back now. That wasn't the swing. See, we got the 2 swing highs in a row. So it's possibly setting up for this, either a trap or it's just setting up for a reversal. That's a bummer. That's a bummer, dude. Now it's pushing up. So if I wasn't over leveraged, I would have. Look at that. I would have got it. Wait, would I have gotten it? No, it still wouldn't have gotten it yet. All right. What is the market doing? So, look at that little psych out. There's that gap fill marker that we put. See if the marker goes up and the price goes up to it. It's kind of melting up. You know, that's so funny because I watched this news report for some big hedge fund guys, and he's like, yeah, the market's gonna melt up. I'm like, melt up? What is that term? You look at that term. I wonder if this is like melting up, where it's like a bunch of fake outs, and it just kind of like oozes up with all this sloppy. One, two. So we got another swing. We got another new. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to keep this here because I don't like this fake out stuff. So this could be like a turnover signal. Rollover. Could have a big pullback here at a VWAP maybe. Okay, another push up here. Melting up just like the man said it would. It's melting up. See, this is where when you over leverage, you can't handle the pullbacks. If I wouldn't have over leveraged, like just do like one contract or something, then I would have been able to stomach a 35-point stop loss. I entered right here. So if you stomach like a 35-point stop loss way down there, but then you only look for about 13 points, would have gotten it right there. Would have been a winner. Had the right idea. Just didn't have the right pullback down here. Over leveraged, and that's lesson I need to learn. I just can't not learn it. I'm eager to start scaling these accounts up. I want to hit 20 accounts. 20. Get 20. Get those the minimum payout is $500 times 10 accounts. That's $5,000, and then times 2, which would be a total of 20 accounts, would be $10,000 every couple of weeks. So potentially $20,000 a month extra doula. And that's the minimum amount pull out, meaning you could still reasonably get more than that. Still continuing high because we're filling that gap. Filling the gap. There's a gap. Look at that. Down. It's called a gap fill. Okay. This big pump down creates a gap in the market. It's like, where's all the play in the market here? So then shoots down And this is all hype and people saying like, oh yeah, I can't be in the market. The market's going down. Inflation's not as good as it was projected. It's not negative inflation. What's all this about? Here's a news clip. Wall Street set lower, open after hot producer inflation data. U.S. stocks futures pressured by hotter than expected PPI. U.S. stock index futures fall after hotter than expected PPI data. What does that mean, hotter? Not as good as expected? Whatever. I need to find a strategy that'll play that news right there. Even though I don't think we can play. Can't play the news on Apex. Okay, where are we at? Drawdown's looking good for these funded accounts up here. Drawdown right here. This top one is the one I requested the $2,000 in. This one is the one I pulled the trade early because I accidentally got in on 2 extra trades when I just should have gotten in on 1 extra trade, so the potential for blowing that account was higher. This one just got the profit, so $250 here plus $100 here, $350, so $350 day plus 40, so almost $400 day. Not too shabby for a couple minutes of work. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Use code Tim at apextraderfunding.com. Today, I believe, is the last day for the coupon. How would I look that up? How would I look that up? Would be maybe. Let's see here. Sometimes they send me emails reminding me when these deals come to an end. Where are we at? Do.
Chisel down the rocks until they skip across this lake.
Looking to see when the sale sail away. Huh. I think this is it. August 14th. Yes. Sale ends August 14th at 11:59 p.m. It says Eastern time, but it's 3 hours later than 12. 11, 10, 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I guess that's when they're... One day to pass, $50 resets across the board. So just so you know, after this discount and it comes to an end tonight, it's going to probably go back to full price for a little bit. If you do need a reset account, it's just $50 instead of paying the full account. And even if you've blown an evaluation, as long as you didn't cancel the subscription, you can reactivate that discounted renewal price for $50. So it's still cheaper than like the $180 or whatever it would be normally. Okay, let's help you guys out a little bit. Use code TIM, Apex Trader, funny.com. The market is dumping again. Not really. It's just doing a pullback. We hit the gap fill. Okay, we hit the gap fill. Dang it. Over leveraged again. So just do the long play. We'll try it again tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, today's Thursday. Trade safe. Take your money and run. And go from there. See you tomorrow around 6:20 a.m., 10 minutes before the market opens. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.